Hello guys, welcome to another top 5. Hello guys, welcome to another perfect niche episode 21. And in this video, we're going to talk about the niche that is the best or one of the best at the moment, more than 1000 sales. So, I already did some before the video. So the page count for this book is 105, list price 13.79. Actually, it is 12.51 euros. So I converted it. It's 13.79 dollars, and the estimated royalty. This is it right here. So I'm gonna do some calculation. Also, I went to this TCK publishing to find out the total number of books sold. So this is a BSR 334. I'm gonna show you guys later where I got it from. So he calculates sales, and this book is getting approximately 4,000 sales per month and 308 sales per day. So per day, he or she is making 308 times 364, $3.64. So per day, this person is making $1,000, 1,121 to be specific, and per year, per month, 364 times 4,620. So per month, this person is making approximately 16,816 cents. No, 16,816.8 cents per month, and yeah, that's per month, guys. Can you believe it? And approximately 1,000 sales per day. So this isn't a bad niche. So if you're interested in finding out what this niche is all about, keep watching to the end. Let's go. So this is a niche I was talking about. It's actually, I think it's German. Yes, German. German marketplace. I found this niche, and I really don't know what went wrong here. I would really like to know why it's selling so much and having bad ratings. So this is where we come in. We make a book that is better than this. And before we even get into finding out what happened, let's first of all take a look at the niche. What is it all about? So this is where I got the best I rank from, and this is the price. And let's take a look inside, find out what this book is all about. So I did a translation for this book, and Google Translate says it is a first words children flashcard book. It has over 600 words. So we're gonna take a look at inside of the book and find out what exactly is this book all about. So as you can see, it's a flashcard. I don't know what carousel is, but this definitely looks like dancing. This one looks like money. A jeep definitely, and manager. Oh, there's English, the English version. I see manager here, Morgan. All right, it's not English. It's just a coincidence that manager is manager in German. And so you see a bunch of flashcards here for kids. Flag definitely. Oh yeah, I saw something like Ukrainian and German. So right here is German, and right here is Ukrainian, and right here is German. So that's why I could easily recognize things. So Ukrainian is close to English, and here is a drum. So that side, I wouldn't call it side words. They said it's flashcard for first words, 600 first words that children are gonna learn. So it's a flashcard book. Dolphin definitely. So you have this flashcards that are 600. Wow, that's crazy. So that is a niche that we're gonna talk about today. And let's take a look at the back. So as you can see, there's a bunch of very colorful book, and it's quite inviting. I was hoping to see something like the words, like a sample of the book inside out here, but I don't see it. So that's something I would have recommended that they do, because I've seen it in many books, they put a sample of their book both on the outside, on the back, and both on the front. So, for example, if you're on mobile and you want to purchase this book, you can go ahead and look at how the book looks like inside and on the front of the page and on the back of the page. So another thing that they do is A plus content, where you go down below and you see a sample of the book inside. They don't have A plus content too, so that is something that I would recommend that they do. If you don't know what A plus content, I think I'll have to create a video about it. I don't know why everyone is just hating on this book. Definitely, I'm gonna do some translations to find out what they're complaining about. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Or is it just one person? Actually, two, three, wow, this is crazy. Everyone hates this book, says do not buy this book. Already say English version. One star is a compliment for this book. Some translations are totally wrong. What? Crazy. Do not match the picture. Some translations are English. Oh, I even noticed it. Like let's see. There was one I noticed was in English. I thought that is a Ukrainian version, but how can you do this? Like this is crazy. Don't you go over a book before you like manager here? I noticed that this manager was here, but I thought that that was the Ukrainian version of manager. You know what? Since Google Translation is here, let's see what exactly is manager. Let's do from English to Ukrainian and see what manager is. So scroll down to English and so English to Ukraine. Let's just see if this is correct. But if that is what they are doing, that is totally unacceptable. Ukraine. Oh, Ukrainian. Yep, there you go. So let's cancel this and say manager. Oh yeah, guys, this is totally unacceptable. No doubt everyone is giving it one star. If that is the case, they really need to pull this book down. Um, get the corrections right and republish it again using it like republishing it not under this like totally bring this down because this is messed up. Anyone who wants to purchase this and sees these 9 ratings and goes down and they see this is forever gonna be here. So to get back on a clean slate, I recommend that they bring down this book and republishing again like new republishing, not republishing it under this one. So that's what I recommend because people are really, I was wondering like what is going wrong here. Like I was about to translate but I found an English version and it says no proper German capitalization, etc, see reviews below. Wow, this is totally unacceptable, like I said before. Anyway, so this is what this book is doing wrong, and we can totally do it right by making sure that we go through our book each page before we publish. 600, I know 600 is a lot of pages to go through, but if you want a book to last, like reviews, good reviews, because reviews sell your book, good reviews sell your book. So a book that is having bad reviews like this, I'm guessing people are not going to purchase it anymore, you know. And this is like 1,000 sales. Look at this, more than 1,000 sales. That's what drew my attention to it. I was like, what is this book all about? And why is it having so many sales? Then I saw the reviews again. I was like, okay, so why is this book having so many sales? People keep on purchasing it, but people are giving it one review and it's one review over and over and over again. 9 people, one review. So you cannot show your child, give your child this book when some translations are wrong. Like I just showed here, manager is supposed to be this in Ukraine and in German. Let's see if it's German version in German, Managerin. So you see, it is nothing. And you see here, they say the Ukrainian and German version. I saw somewhere German. I can do I think Dutch. Dutch is German. So German and Ukrainian right here. German and Ukrainian. So the top one I'm guessing is supposed to be Ukrainian or Dutch, but either of them does not the manager, either of them does not rhyme. So you see the translation is totally off, which is very unacceptable. So that's it about this book, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but that's it about this book. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.